Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have the charger and power brick. Now act. Plug the USB-C cable from the Duo into a 20W or stronger PD adapter, then into a live outlet. Once done, unfold the Duo's hinge so the iPhone pad is flat. Make sure your iPhone's MagSafe ring aligns with the circular pad. You'll feel and hear a magnetic click. This alignment optimizes power transfer and prevents slow charging. Don't skip this step, because correct contact is essential for efficient charging. Now add the second device while keeping the iPhone aligned. If you're charging an Apple Watch, fold the Duo so the leather watch puck faces up and rest the watch band closed on the puck. If you have AirPods with wireless charging, lay them on the secondary flat pad. Once done, make sure you remove overly thick or metal cases that block MagSafe. Thin cases rarely interfere. Watch for on-screen charging indicators or LED feedback. They confirm current is flowing and show that placement is correct. You're almost done. Let devices charge until they reach the level you want. When finished, unplug the adapter, fold the Duo closed, and store it cool and dry. Avoid sharp bends in the cable. If charging doesn't start, try one focused fix. Confirm the adapter supports USB-C PD and delivers 20W+, then reseat the cable firmly. If that fails, wipe the pads free of dust and oil, remove cases, and reboot the phone. These steps resolve the majority of connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.